Okay, here we are stuck on the beach. Now's a great time to talk about our 12K kits. So, with Kinetic ropes, in this kit we have our 12,000 kilo Kinetic rope. It's really important that you match the Kinetic rope to your vehicle. You want 2 to 3 times the vehicle mass. That's for the right rope for your vehicle. In terms of our kits, we have 2 12K kits. Our first kit is kit number 1, and that comes with our sheath shackles. Perfectly fine to use with rounded recovery points, or if you're using our soft anchor points, or just for the occasional recovery through some of the square edge points. However, if you are doing regular recoveries and you do have squared recovery points, or you're just doing a lot of kinetic recoveries, we look at our heavy duty kit, which is our 17,000 kilo bound shackles. You get a pair of those in the bag as well. So as always, Saber Offroad, gear to get you home.